You know what really grinds my gears? Do people still say that? Is when I'm reading a book and then I have to stop reading and I have to fold the page. I do not want to indent my page. I do not want to use a sock as a bookmark, but enter the solution to all of my worries, the diamond painting bookmarks from ARTDOT. So if you're new here, my name is Bev B. I have been diamond painting for about 6 years now. I want to say 6 years. And I have a plethora of diamond painting videos if you want to go and binge those. In today's video, we're going to unbox this package of diamond art bookmarks that was sent to me from ARTDOT for review. I'm going to actually diamond paint each bookmark. There's 4 of them included. And then I'll show you the finished bookmarks, how they hold up. We'll do a little stress test. And as always, y'all know I like to be completely transparent. ARTDOT did send me these bookmarks to unbox and share with you, but this video contains my full honest thoughts and opinions. So let's get right into it. And if you are new here, you can check out my diamond painting catalog of like 400, I don't know how many videos, by hitting the subscribe button. It's totally free. You can find it on either side of this. Let's get into this. Okay, so this is how it arrived to me in a box with poly mailer. And I'm going to open it up now. Oh, these are really cute. Look. Okay, to be honest, I didn't take a look, like an in-depth look at these before ARTDOT reached out to me. So this is really the first time I'm really like looking at them properly. Super cute. And it looks like there's 4 bookmarks in here. And then on the back, we have what's included. So we have bookmarks, 1 to 3 diamond painting pen instruction manual, 20 times diamond pack, so 20 colors, I'm guessing, wax, and a tray. Friendly and hassle-free customer service. I'm excited to dig into this. Okay, so first we have a little thank you card. Thank you for being a key part of our story. Some information. I'm not going to read it. You can scan this if you want to. We have 1 diamond painting pen. A little tray. Oh, look, it's I have the larger versions of when I unbox some diamond paintings from them, but this is really nice. And then we have a little thing of wax. And then right here, you can see that there's like, I think room for like 3 drills, 2 drills, 3 drills. And then up here is where like for multi-placing maybe. And then here is where the excess drills would connect here. Or sorry, the excess drills would fall into here. So you would have all this area for your drills to line up nicely, which is really nice. And then the pen also has a 3-placer, 2-placer, 3-placer, 2-placer. I have not used one of these in a very long time, but I think this little tray is so handy. I honestly prefer big trays, but I really like the fact that this kit came with a little tray like that. And then we have our drills. So it looks like they're going to be square drills. And let's open this up quickly. So square drills. I'm not seeing any special drills yet. I don't know if there's any in this kit. Here's all the colors if you're curious. Okay, so no special drills, like no ABs. No metallics or anything like that, which is totally fine. So then here we have our bookmarks. This one is a little bit bent, but that's fine. I'd imagine that this probably got bent like in the packaging, but I also think that if I keep it under something heavy, it will straighten out. So they are magnetic bookmarks. Take a look. So they just open like that. And then here's the drill field. The drill field looks very clear. Like, it's not a lot of diamond painting to begin with. Like, this is a very small mini project, and I feel like I'll just get it done in like maybe an hour or 2. But these are really cute. I really enjoy that the different bookmarks have different names. So Pete the duck, Boba the hamster, Mia the cat, Cuckoo the dog. That's so adorable. Okay. And then on the back, okay, this is what I was wondering. I was like, where's the legend? The legend is down here. So for each of the bookmarks, there's a mini legend. And then over here. And then it looks like there's just instructions. So really, if you have diamond painted before, you can ignore all of this stuff, but it's good that it's included. And then really all you're paying attention down here is the legend. So to work on this, I would imagine that I'm just going to lay out all the bookmarks on the table like this, and then have this open. And I'm probably going to work, honestly, because they're so small, I'm probably just going to work color by color. So I'll look at the legend and I'll be like, okay, 317's here, 317's here, and that's it. Like 317's no longer in any of the other areas. So I'm probably just going to open up 317, choose this bookmark and this bookmark, and then just put them down. And I'll like peel them up and work on them that way. Okay, so I've done quite a bit of each bookmark. You can see that my placement isn't the best, but with squares, I think it's important to note that with squares, you don't have to place them perfectly, because once you do the outer edges, things kind of even out and they get pushed together better, etc. The glue is really great, I'm finding, because when I put down a drill, if I misplace it or like it needs to be better aligned, it's very easy to push it and like slide it along the glue into place. And I was going to film like me sliding it, but once the drill has kind of settled into the spot where you put it, it's difficult for it to move, which is a good thing because these are supposed to be like bookmarks, so they're going to get some wear and tear. So I think it's good that the drills aren't as easy to move after you've kind of like put it in its spot. If that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. But I'm just going to keep going. Like I do have a lot of colors. I've been using this small tray, as you've probably seen, and then just dumping the excess into here. And like there's so much black. Like these are the excess drills that I'm not going to be using, and there's a lot of leftovers. To show you an example of how much excess you would have, I'm doing 3721, which is only appearing on Mia the cat, 3721, and not along any others. So I've placed the 3721, and this is how much extra I have, which is amazing. So don't worry about spilling your drills. Okay, so I poured out this color. 921 is the DMC code. And then I was looking on the legend. 919. 900. There's no 921 on the legend. I'm thinking that it's supposed to be 919 instead of 921. So I'm going to do 919 with the 921. And now, are you ready for the big reveal? Here are the finished bookmarks. We have Pete the duck, Bobo the hamster, Mia the cat, Kuka the dog, not necessarily in that order, but here they are finished. I would say these probably took me about an hour to do. And the drills, as you can see, there's very minimal gapping. Like I don't think gapping is an issue with these. The glue seems to be holding up very strong, but I wanted to do a really quick test. So I put the diamond painting bookmarks on one of my books. I put it in 2 parts and then I shook the book because I'm like, what if someone uses these bookmarks, they put it in their bag, it's being shaky or something like that. Maybe they're on a train reading or something. So I wanted to see. So they do hold up. You'll see that they do move a little bit. And then another thing that I did notice is that they don't sit completely flush with the page, but I honestly don't think that is a big deal. So overall, I would say this was a very quick project. Like I said, it probably took me about an hour to complete. I think this would be great for kiddos or for if you're just looking for a really quick project. You could also use these to mark a page off in your planner, in your journal. Also, if you're a reader, obviously you'd want to use a bookmark because readers read books. I'm sorry. Okay, so obvious. Anyways, moving on. One of my suggestions would be, if you know that you're going to be using these bookmarks a lot, you might want to try and seal them. Again, like I haven't really traveled with my books or like traveled with my bookmarks, so I don't necessarily know if the drills are going to fall off, but when it's something functional that I've diamond painted, I like to seal them. If it's just like a normal canvas diamond painting, I don't worry too too much about sealing them. And if you are looking for sealer, ARTDOT does sell sealers, sealing glue. You can purchase it on their website. And if you do want to get these bookmarks, and if this video was helpful to you, like I said, ARTDOT did send me these to review for you. You can use my affiliate link in the description box below. I also have an ARTDOT discount code, which I'll flash on the screen here, and you can save a percentage off. But thank you so much for checking out these bookmarks, and I'm very curious to know your thoughts. Is this a project that you would like to do? What are your thoughts on these bookmarks? Does it appeal to you? I think they're honestly just super cute, and I had fun doing them. So let me know in the comments down below what your thoughts are. If you have nothing to say but you want to be like, hey Bev, I watched your video, you can leave an emoji bookmark down below or whatever you want. But anyways, I appreciate you watching this video. Thank you so much to ARTDOT for sending me these bookmarks. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I post new videos whenever I feel like it, but I honestly do have diamond painting videos planned out, and so hopefully I will get around to filming those soon. Anyways, I'll stop yapping. I'll see y'all in the next video. Okay, bye!